Show how to use NaviLens to record a 360 personal wayfinding route. So I'm going to switch to NaviLens, and here is this 360 personal wayfinding route code next to my front door. I'm going to take off the post-it that's on it so that the code will work
16
properly.
inches away. NaviLens 360 wayfinding code. Routes found. Press the Show Routes button to see them or press the Record New Route button to create a new one.
Okay, I'm going to record a new route.
Move close. The recording has started. Hold the device vertically and start walking.
Okay, and I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to hold the device, start walking. Just before I start walking, actually, I'm going to pan like 180 degrees and then start walking the route. The idea here is that an O&M could be a sighted guide for a student walking the route. And here I am at the destination, the bathroom. So I'm going to tap stop
The recording has finished. Enter route name.
And I'll give the route a name. It's called Home Front Door to Bathroom. I'll tap
Route
Save.
home. Front door to bathroom has been saved successfully.
Do you want to go back to the start? I do, so I'll tap yes.
Let's go to the start.
All right. Now I can follow the audible cues, the visual
At
cue,
11
or the visual
o'clock.
cues to get back to the start.
You've gone back to the start.
And I've gone back to the start, so I'm done recording the route. Show how to use NaviLens to follow a 360 personal wayfinding route. So I'll switch to NaviLens, take the post-it off the code so that
18
it
inches
works.
away. NaviLens 360 wayfinding code. Routes found. Press the Show Routes button to see them or press the Record New Route button to create a new one.
All right, well, I'm going to show the routes, and I'm going to choose the first one. It says Home Front Door to Bathroom.
Scan the... Let's go to home. Front door to bathroom. At 1 o'clock.
All right, at 1 o'clock. Now, the key thing here is I'm going to pan slowly.
The surroundings have been recognized.
And that's really key. If you don't hear the surroundings have been recognized, something's not right and you need to rescan the code likely. Right now I'm starting to walk the route and I get visual and audible prompting. If I walk off the route, I lose
At
the
2
center
o'clock.
bell and I need to turn back in the direction to get the center bell.
At 1 o'clock.
At 1 o'clock.
You've arrived at home. Front
Now
door
I've
to
arrived
bathroom.
there, and the idea is there should be a NaviLens code here for the student or the person to scan,
20 inches away. Accessible bathroom.
and there is a code there, accessible bathroom. So I was successful following that route, and I found the bathroom. Hooray!